Namaste. My name is Kira, and I'm so glad that you found this recording and my channel. And I'm honored to guide you through this loving kindness meditation for self-compassion. Loving kindness, or Metta meditation it is sometimes called, comes from the Buddhist tradition. It involves visualization, and it's one of the most powerful ways to create a sense of deep peace, forgiveness, and well-being. Bring yourself to a comfortable seat. You can sit on a cushion with your back against a wall for support, or on a chair. Just take a few moments to settle in and get yourself comfortable. Closing your eyes or taking a soft gaze down at the floor. And just begin to notice the sounds around your space, the temperature of the air on your skin as you settle into your seat, how you've arranged yourself. Just painting a before picture of where you are. Soften the brow. Let the jaw unhinge. Let the tongue fall to the floor of the mouth. And as the body settles, notice if the mind is wandering or your attention is splintering out. And expect that this will happen. But as soon as you notice that the mind has wandered, simply guide it back into the room and into the present moment that you're in. You can always guide your attention back at any moment. Begin to notice your breath without trying to alter or change the breath. Just take note if it's deep or shallow, fast or slow, smooth or bumpy. Just noticing the breath. Gently allow the breath now to become deeper, fuller, more expansive and generous. Feel the breath moving from the bottom of the belly up to the top of the chest. Feeling that gentle rise and fall of breath. Visualize now, in your mind's eye, someone who has had a very positive influence on your life. Anyone or anything that comes to mind. This could be a person or maybe even a beloved pet. Just call to mind someone who has had a positive influence on your life. And see them standing before you. Drink them in. See their expression. Notice how being in their presence makes you feel in your body. And as you hold the image of this being in your mind's eye, offer them this prayer. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Just mentally repeating this prayer. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. See them receive this from you. And now visualize a person with whom you have a neutral relationship. This could be a neighbor or someone who serves you your coffee in the morning. Just someone to whom you feel neutral. See this person standing before you in your mind's eye, and offer them this same prayer. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. And see them receive that prayer. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Now visualize a person with whom you have a challenging relationship. Choose someone that you're not in an active conflict with, but rather someone where it's just difficult. You just feel that you don't really see eye to eye. Visualize this person standing before you. Notice how your body responds to their presence. And offer them this same prayer. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. And if that's hard to do, that's perfectly okay. Practicing loving kindness does not mean that we condone another person's actions. So if you can, try to repeat that same prayer. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. And see that challenging person receive this from you. And now visualize yourself standing before you. This might be you in present day, or perhaps you at a different age. Whatever version of you comes to mind, take them in. See them standing before you. Notice how it feels to witness yourself. As you visualize yourself standing before you, offer this same prayer. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Allow any emotions or reactions to come up, wash over you. All of that is fine. Anything you feel is welcome here. And now visualize that you are lifting out of the room that you're in so that you have a bird's eye view of the building that you're in, the town or city, letting your awareness radiate outwards toward all beings on your city block or your town block, extending the same prayer. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. And visualize your perspective rising up and up so that you see the entirety of your country. Up higher, you see the whole planet, all beings, animals, humans, plants, all life forms everywhere, extending the same prayer. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Take a deeper breath. And slowly float both hands up over your heart. Feeling the warmth of your body beneath your hands, the beat of the heart, the pulse of the vessels, the ebb and flow of breath. Bow your head towards the wisdom within the heart, this truth of loving kindness, holding that with you as you slowly flutter your eyes open, taking a hazy gaze down at the floor, and slowly come back into your space. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you deep peace and love. Until next time.